we analyzed 4,200 AWS WorkMail organizations. Here's what we learned. This video is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, Gen AI, web, and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out iforyou.cloud. We provide wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with Gen A1 for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have Concept to Code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concepttocode.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. By Business Compass LLC. When Amazon announced the retirement of AWS WorkMail, thousands of organizations were faced with an important decision: where to move their email platform and how to complete the migration with minimal disruption. As an AWS advanced consulting partner that has worked with AWS technologies since the early days of the cloud, we wanted to better understand the organizations affected by this change. Our team analyzed more than 4,200 U.S. organizations that use AWS WorkMail to better understand the market, identify migration opportunities, and uncover common challenges organizations are likely to face during the transition. Why this matters? Email remains one of the most business-critical services in any organization. It supports communication, calendars, contacts, mobile devices, security policies, legal retention, and countless integrations with business applications. While moving mailboxes may appear straightforward, successful migrations often involve user identity and authentication, shared calendars and resources, mobile device reconfiguration, DNS updates, security and compliance validation, end-user communication and training, business continuity planning. Organizations that begin planning early are better positioned to complete their migrations without unnecessary disruption. What we studied: our analysis focused on organizations using AWS WorkMail across a broad range of industries, including healthcare, government contractors, manufacturing, financial services, technology, education, professional services, nonprofit organizations. Rather than looking only at company size, we evaluated organizational characteristics that influence migration planning, including technology adoption, IT maturity, geographic distribution, and publicly available infrastructure indicators. Key observations. 1. Most organizations are small to mid-sized. The majority of AWS WorkMail deployments belong to organizations with fewer than 500 employees. This presents both an opportunity and a challenge. Smaller IT teams often have limited time to dedicate to planning and executing an email migration while maintaining daily operations. ###2. Many organizations have lean-knit teams. Many companies using AWS WorkMail operate with small internal technology teams responsible for infrastructure, cybersecurity, user support, cloud operations, and application management. For these organizations, a well-planned migration can significantly reduce internal workload and minimize business disruption. 3. Every organization has unique requirements. No two migrations are identical. Factors such as identity providers, mobile device management, compliance requirements, shared mailboxes, custom domains, and third-party integrations all influence the migration approach. A successful project begins with discovery rather than assumptions. 4. Security remains a top priority. Email is one of the primary attack vectors for cyber threats. Migration projects provide an excellent opportunity to strengthen authentication, review MFA policies, improve email security, modernize identity management, validate DNS records, enhance spam and phishing protection. Organizations that treat migration as a modernization initiative often achieve long-term security benefits beyond simply changing email platforms. 5. Planning reduces risk. The most successful migrations typically follow a structured process. 1. Discovery and assessment. 2. Environment preparation. 3. Pilot migration. 4. DNS planning. 5. Production migration. 6. Validation and testing. 7. User support. 8. Project closeout. Organizations that skip planning frequently encounter avoidable issues such as user confusion, incomplete migrations, or unexpected downtime. Common questions organizations ask. During our conversations with customers, several questions come up repeatedly. Which platform should we migrate to? Asterisk, how long will the migration take? Will calendars and contacts migrate? What happens to mobile devices? Can users continue working during migration? How much downtime should we expect? Asterisk, how do we communicate changes to employees? How do we maintain security throughout the process? These questions highlight that successful migration is about much more than copying email. Choosing the right destination. Most organizations evaluate one or more of the following options. Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, other enterprise email platforms. The best choice depends on existing productivity tools, licensing strategy, collaboration requirements, compliance obligations, and long-term IT goals. Rather than selecting a platform based solely on licensing costs, organizations should evaluate the broader impact on productivity, security, and operational efficiency. Migration is also an opportunity. Many organizations view the retirement of AWS WorkMail as an opportunity to modernize their collaboration environment. Projects often include identity modernization, asterisk, stronger security controls, multi-factor authentication improvements, better collaboration capabilities, asterisk, AI-assisted productivity tools, enhanced compliance controls, improved mobile access. Instead of simply replacing one email platform with another, organizations can use the migration as a catalyst for broader digital transformation. Recommendations. If your organization is currently using AWS WorkMail, consider taking the following steps. Asterisk inventory all mailboxes and shared resources. Review current DNS and email security settings. Identify business-critical integrations. Evaluate your target email platform. Develop a phased migration plan. Pilot with a small group before full deployment. Asterisk, communicate early and often with users. Validate every migration before project completion. Early planning provides greater flexibility, reduces operational risk, and allows organizations to complete the transition on their own schedule. About Business Compass LLC. Business Compass LLC is an AWS advanced consulting partner specializing in cloud migration, AI, data engineering, application modernization, and managed cloud services. Our team has helped organizations modernize critical workloads across AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. We assist organizations with planning and executing AWS WorkMail migrations while minimizing downtime, protecting business continuity, and ensuring a smooth transition for end users. To learn more about AWS WorkMail migration planning or request a migration assessment, visit https://emailmigration.businesscompasslc.com or call 973-638-2228 or email contact@businesscompassllc.us.